Thank you again for joining me, your friend. Please subscribe to my channel. And watch the videos, like, make a comment known. If you need to see me for any question or you need any clarification, make the comments known. If you want to reach me, you can reach me on this 234-8164-869470. Now today we are going into another video under differential calculus. We have been talking about now the techniques of differentiation, and now we are dealing with quotient rule. Quotient rule. Quotient, what does quotient mean? Quotient means division. So you have here, all you do is division. So once what we do is division here, what do we do now? We are solving this problem by quotient rule. Don't forget, quotient rule is having this v du dx minus u the v dx, everything over v squared. Do you get that? So this is what we have. Now, what should we do? What should we do next? Let me write this up. So we have this cosec x 1. Solution 1. Cosec x, it is we've been taught to use quotient rule. Normally we all know what cosec x will give you. U minus cosec x cos x. But since we've been taught to use quotient rule, let's go. We have 1 over cosec x is 1 over sin x. So since this is 1 over sin x, this will be u, this will be v. Using the formula v is it times what is our du dx? Differentiation of 1 is 0. Then minus, do you get? U itself is 1 times differentiation of sin x gives us cos x. Then everything over v squared, that is sin square x. So what will this be equal to? This should be equal to, okay, let me maintain this. You have minus cos x upon sin square x. Do you get this? And what does this mean? What is sin square x? What can we do with that? So this is the same thing as minus cos x over sin x times 1 over sin x. Yes. So this means the same thing. This is squared. So this times this give you this times this give you this. So we are good to go. What is minus cos x over sin x? Normally cos x over sin x is what? It is cos x. That is minus cos x. Then times 1 over sin x is what? Cosec x. So that is our dy dx. Example 2. Hey, okay, no problem. We'll find it out, we'll sort it out. 2. Tan x. Tan x is what? It is the same thing as sin x upon cos x. Isn't it? So what do we have now? We are going to be having what? This will be equal to this. So this is our u, this is our v. U is what? Formula will follow is v x cos x du dx. If you differentiate sin x, you get cos x. V du dx, you get this v differential of this, differentiate sin x, get cos x, then minus u, differentiate cos x, you have minus what? Sin x. Do you get that? So this is v du minus u, then dv. Everything over v square, and v square is cos square x. Square of v, that is v square. So here we have cos squared x. This will give us minus. This time this is minus already, so times this minus we have plus. We have sin square x upon cos square x. And of course, this is the same thing as cos square x over cos square x, then plus sin square x over what? Cos square x. So what do we have? Okay, if we solve this way, there will be a problem. Because this one will give us 1. This one will give us 1 plus. Okay, yes. Let's go. We can, yeah. There's another method, but let's go here. We have 1 plus sin squares. That will give us 1 plus tan square x. This is what this will give us. But from here, let me see if we can have this out. If we don't have it out, we go back, we use there's a method in differentiation such that once the differential of this, we differentiate this, you are going to have you have minus this. Do you get that? So okay, that is an integration. Let's just move on. So here now we can see if we have sin, there's an identity sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. This is an identity. I want to get out this. This one I want to get it out. So what do we have? We have we differentiate through if we square through with we have sin x. Yes. So we have these two, we have sin x. This is what sin x. So what will this one give us? This one will give us let's do square. This one will give us 1 plus, what do we have here? Okay, I think we should have divided 2 by cos square x. I want to have tan, so we have cos square x, cos square x, cos square x. So here this one will give us what? Tan squared x, and that will be what? Plus cos square x, that is 1. And what will this give us? This is 1 over cos square x, and that is sec square x. So this is an identity, and that is the identity here, is equal to this. So if we differentiate tan x, normally we have 1 plus tan square x. But 1 plus tan square x is an identity, the trig identity, that is equal to this. From this, if you don't know this, you can't get this answer. So that means tan square x, that means the y, or I put ddx of tan x. That will be equal to sec square x. We are good to go. Question 3 is sin x. over 1 minus cos x. So the next question is sin x upon 1 minus cos x. So we have to solve for these ones using quotient rule. Don't forget, this is u, this is v. V 1 minus cos x du. Du will give us cos x, then minus u, which is sin x, dv. If we differentiate this is 0. If we differentiate cos x, we have minus sin x, minus minus that sin x. Yes, everything over v squared, 1 minus cos x, all squared. So what will that give us? This time we have cos x times this, cos x times this, minus cos square x, then minus sin square x. Are you seeing something at all? Then upon 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x. This can be equal to cos x minus 1, open bracket of cos square x. Plus sin square x. Yes, this minus, then everything will upon what? Have 1 minus cos x, and you have 1 minus cos x. Cos square x plus sin square x. What are the identity I gave the other time? It is 1. 1 times this remains this. So I have cos x minus 1 upon 1 minus cos x, then 1 minus cos x. What will that become? What do we have there? Yeah, look at this. 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x. I can have this as minus 1, open brackets, 1 minus cos x. This time this will give me plus. Minus rather. Minus 1 times this will give me, if I then just put minus outside. Minus times this will give me minus this. Minus times this will give me plus this. Then over 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x. You getting me? So this can cancel out this. So your answer is minus 1 over 1 minus cos x. That is the dy dx of sin x upon 1 minus cos x. Thank you for joining me. Please and please again, do subscribe to my channel. Yes. I want you to search. This is my channel name, Mathematics with edu-aider. I hate education. If you want to reach me, you have 234-8164-869470. Thank you for your time.